Hi, in today's video we're going to be having a look at the compact domestic gutter vac from Gutter Vacuum Systems. We'll see who might possibly buy it and why they'd buy it. We'll have a look at the specifications of it, and then at the end we'll try it on some gutters and see how well it actually works. Just before we get started, I'd like to say that this isn't a sponsored video at all. This is actually my brother's gutter vac. He's just bought this and he's kindly lent it to me so I can do a video for you. I've actually got it before he started using it, so it's all nice and clean and new. But this is one that he's just bought himself for his own business. So I'm not sponsored doing this video, I haven't been paid to do it at all. This is just my opinion and what I think of the vac. So this is a single motored vacuum, just the one switch because it's only got the 1 motor. The motor it's got is a 1300 watt motor, which is smaller than some of its competitors. But unlike its competitors, it's got the side cyclone inlet, which is a massive 51 mil. So that's a lot less likely to block up, being the bigger inlet. A lot of the competitors are only 38 mil. The other advantage of this, with it being the cyclone, it makes the motor, although it's smaller, it makes it work more efficiently. It's got the nice black plastic body on it, looks really good. It is black is green, so if an environmental thing's your thing, then this is made out of 75% recycled plastic. Nice smooth body on it, good clips, work well. Lift the lid off. You've got your float switch there to stop water going up into the motor, and you've got your filter here, just a normal basket filter. So we have a 35 litre drum on it, weighing just a tiny 11 kilograms. You can throw that around when it's empty, so no problem lifting up into your van, and it's only 84 centimetres tall. It comes with 5 metres of the kink-free hose, and that just screws on to the outlet. So nice and simple, job done. So why would you buy the compact? Well, the reason my brother's bought this over, say, the Predator or even the 3000 watt vacs that they sell is size. He's got quite a small van and nowhere to store it when it's out of the van, so he wanted something small, and it is fairly small. Now, if you buy the aluminium poles that go with it, they are only 1.2 meters long, so again they're reasonably short, so they'll go in a small van no problem. When wouldn't you use this? Well, you probably wouldn't want to do it if you were doing a lot of like industrial stuff, if you were using it all day constantly, if there was a lot of debris in the gutters. Being the smaller drum, you wouldn't want to be doing loads and loads with it. But if you're doing domestic 2-3 story houses, won't be a problem at all. It's a cracking little vac for its size. So let's set up a gutter and we'll give it a go and see how well it works. So we've got our stunt gutter set up here. I've got a gutter set up and I've filled it up with compost, so we'll give that a go and see how easily that sucks that out. So dry compost, nothing at all, didn't hold anything back, but dry compost isn't really very realistic, is it? So what I'm going to do next is put some leaves in and see how that works. So once again, no problem at all, but those were just dry leaves, so it'd have been if it had just been blocked up. So I think what every person that's used a gutter vac hates is when you get pine needles in it. So I've got some pine needles now from Scotch pine, so they're really big needles, and we'll see how that gets on. So that test absolutely amazed me with the pine needles. Didn't struggle with it at all, even with only having a 1300 watt motor, and that is because of this 51mm side cyclonic inlet. That just really makes that motor work really efficiently. So if you're considering getting a gutter vac but you haven't got a lot of money to invest, or you just want something small to keep in your van, then maybe consider the compact domestic gutter vac from Gutter Vac Systems. If you get it with the 21-foot set of lightweight aluminium, it comes in at £530 complete. So I think with that you get 3 nozzles, you get your poles, your vac, your hose, everything you need to get started, and that's a really good price. Consider giving Gutter Vacuum Systems a ring if you are thinking about it. I'll link their details in below and their website, so have a chat to them and they'll talk through exactly what you need. They're really helpful like that. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it useful and interesting. If you did, make sure you have a look at my playlists. There's other Gutter Vac stuff on my playlist, and you'll find the Predator there, which is the big brother to this. It's a real monster. You'll find that on my playlists and be using it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.